You're not lazy, you're not broken, you're just human. And staying motivated every single day, it's hard. But there's a way to rise. This is your reminder. You are not defeated. Welcome to You Are Undefeated. Let's reignite your drive, starting now. 1. Remember your why. In a bustling city, Mia felt lost, her dreams overshadowed by routine. As deadlines piled up, she paused, reflecting on her love for art, her childhood passion. Reconnecting with her why, she embraced late-night sketching and rediscovered joy. Challenges loomed, criticism from peers, self-doubt. But each brushstroke rekindled her spirit. With renewed determination, she showcased her work, transforming vulnerability into strength. Through this journey, Mia learned that remembering her purpose fueled her creativity, igniting a path to fulfillment she thought she'd lost. 2. Break the big into small. Mia stood at the crossroads of her dreams and daily life, feeling suffocated by the demands of the city. Instead of overwhelming herself, she decided to break her challenge into manageable steps. First, she set aside just 10 minutes each night to sketch, allowing her to reconnect with her passion without pressure. As she gained confidence, she expanded her practice, sharing her work with friends who offered support rather than criticism. Each small victory reignited her creativity, transforming her struggles into a profound sense of fulfillment. 3. Celebrate small wins. Mia discovered the beauty of small victories in the quiet moments of her late-night sketching sessions. Each 10-minute commitment felt like a tiny triumph, a spark reigniting her fading passion for art. As she filled pages with her thoughts, she shared them with friends, whose encouraging words became a chorus of support. Each compliment bolstered her confidence, and with every small win, she transformed her self-doubt into vibrant strokes of creativity, painting a new chapter of fulfillment in her life. 4. Change your environment. Mia realized that her cluttered apartment mirrored her chaotic thoughts, stifling her creativity. Seeking change, she ventured into the heart of the city, immersing herself in bustling cafes and vibrant parks. The fresh surroundings sparked inspiration, transforming her perspective. Each sketch she produced reflected the energy of her new environment, breathing life into her art. As she embraced the city's rhythm, Mia discovered that altering her surroundings not only invigorated her creativity, but also propelled her towards personal growth, unveiling a more confident, resilient self. 5. Use the power of routine. Amidst the whirlwind of city life, Mia discovered the profound impact of routine on her personal growth. Each morning, she carved out time for sketching, transforming her chaotic days into a canvas of creativity. By establishing this consistent habit, she ignited a spark of inspiration, allowing her to face self-doubt with renewed confidence. Evening walks through lively parks became a ritual, clearing her mind and offering fresh perspectives. As her routines unfolded, she realized that these small, deliberate steps not only nurtured her art, but also instilled a deeper sense of fulfillment in her life. 6. Protect your energy. In a world filled with noise and demands, protecting one's energy becomes paramount. Setting boundaries isn't just a necessity, it's an act of self-love. For Mia, the chaos of her surroundings dulled her spirit, making each day feel like a grind. When she learned to say no to distractions and yes to rejuvenation, she found clarity. By surrounding herself with vibrant cafes and serene parks, her creativity flourished. Establishing rituals like morning sketches and evening walks transformed her energy, nurturing her inner artist and illuminating her path to fulfillment. 7. Reconnect with growth. Mia embarked on a transformative journey as she navigated the chaos of city life. Late-night sketching sessions reignited her passion for art, allowing her to confront self-doubt and embrace self-discovery. By breaking her goals into manageable steps, each small victory added to her confidence, illuminating her path. She revitalized her surroundings and established a nurturing routine, setting firm boundaries against distractions. With these intentional choices, Mia not only enriched her creative practice, but also blossomed into a more resilient and fulfilled version of herself. No matter how hard it gets, don't stop, because every step forward is a step closer to the life you want. You are not lazy. You are not done. You are undefeated. Follow for more daily fuel to stay motivated and focused.